Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you a Nigerian farmer or gardener looking to maximize your harvest despite the changing seasons? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the best crops to grow in Nigeria's varying climate conditions. We will cover everything from the rainy season to the dry season, showing you which fruits, vegetables, and crops thrive during each period. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First, it's important to understand the climate across Nigeria. Our country has diverse weather patterns, from the humid coastal areas of the south to the arid regions of the north. Generally, we experience two main seasons, the rainy season and the dry season. The rainy season typically spans from April to October, bringing heavy rainfall, which is essential for crop growth. The dry season, from November to March, features less rainfall and higher temperatures, challenging crops and farmers alike. Understanding these seasonal changes is crucial in maximizing your harvest and choosing the right crops. Now, let's talk about the rainy season. This is the perfect time to plant crops that thrive in wet conditions. Here are some of the best options. Rice. Ideal for wetland areas, rice requires flooded conditions and can be a significant source of income. Maize. A staple food in Nigeria, maize flourishes in this season with enough rainfall and well-drained soil. Cassava. This drought-resistant root crop benefits from the ample moisture of the rainy season and can be harvested throughout the year. Vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, and fluted pumpkin, ugu, thrive in the rainy season and are easy to grow in home gardens. Pepper. Whether you choose bell peppers or hot peppers, they flourish in the humidity of the rainy season, providing a great addition to your garden. Be sure to prepare your soil ahead of time to ensure that it can retain moisture and nutrients during those heavy rains. Next, let's look at the dry season. While conditions can be challenging, many crops can still thrive with proper planning. Here are some valuable options for you. 1. Tomatoes. A popular choice, tomatoes thrive in the dry season, especially when grown in well-drained soil and watered properly. 2. Okra. This resilient vegetable loves the heat. Okra can be planted during the dry season and produces well with little water once established. 3. Sweet potatoes. They are drought tolerant and adapt well to dry conditions, making them a perfect choice for the hot months. 4. Pepper hot varieties can do exceptionally well if planted early in the season before extreme heat sets in. 5. Melons, watermelons, and cantaloupes thrive in hot weather. Ensure they have enough space to grow and adequate irrigation. It's essential to implement irrigation techniques during dry seasons, such as drip irrigation or using mulch to retain soil moisture. To further ensure success, consider adopting season-extending techniques. Here are some strategies you can implement. Crop rotation. This traditional practice can enhance soil health and reduce pest problems. Change your crops each season to maintain soil fertility. Companion planting. Place complementary plants together like tomatoes and basil to maximize space and protect against pests. Greenhouses and shade structures. Using greenhouses can help you control temperatures and moisture levels, while shade netting can protect sensitive plants from harsh sun exposure. Now that we've covered specific crops for each season, here are some general tips to maximize your harvest throughout the year. 1. Soil health. Always prioritize soil health. Conduct soil tests to understand nutrient levels and amend your soil as needed to ensure it is fertile. 2. crop rotation. As mentioned earlier, rotating crops will help prevent soil depletion and reduce pest and disease buildup. 3. Record keeping. Keep a detailed record of what you plant, when you plant it, and the yields you observe. This information can inform your future planting strategies. 4. Engage with the community. Collaborate with local farmers. Participate in farmers' groups. Thank you so much for watching our video on maximizing your harvest in Nigeria's changing seasons. We hope you found the tips and insights shared today helpful for your urban farming journey. If you enjoyed this content and learned something new, please give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people who are passionate about gardening and farming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos, including more practical tips, success stories, and everything you need to thrive in your farming endeavors. Join our growing community, and together, let's cultivate a healthier and more sustainable future. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep planting those seeds and nurturing your passion for urban farming. See you in the next video.